is still here, and trees are just what we needed that act as a natural umbrella. However, as Metro Manila covers a total land area of approximately 630 kilometers, a report from Science Connect shows there are very few rich forests in the city, contributing to more urban heat. Yet a forester echoed that trees in those forests are not enough to provide cooling effect today.
Meron namang ibang mga puno na malawak nga yung area ng crown niya, pero hindi naman masyadong green yung dahon, hindi masyadong dark. So yung cooling effect niya ay medyo mababa. Pag may mga puno sa Metro Manila kung saan mataas ang concentration most likely mataas ang concentration ng CO2 in the atmosphere, may mga puno na magsisequester ng carbon from the atmosphere.
A tree's canopy is still the best tool and solution that pulls heat out of the environment, especially in the urban city.
Halimbawa, yung kalsada, pag nalililiman yan, walang masyadong singaw ng init, di ba? Mas mababa yung temperatura. Yung init na nararanasan natin sa ngayon, ay yung garden sa loob, hindi masyadong ramdam yan. Psychologically, maybe, panahon na talagang seryosohin natin yung pagdating ng puno para magkaroon tayo ng lilim. Kasi kung ngayon nga ay halos hindi na tayo magkandaw-gaga, halos hindi na natin matiis yung sobrang init, so, lalo pa kaya siguro 5 to 10 years from now.
Meanwhile, the expert also cited that green spaces today shouldn't solely be for aesthetic appeal. Planted trees should have a big crown and plentiful leaves to provide extra shade.
Mga nakatayong buildings, mga puro semento kasi, of course, pag yung radiation niyan, yung init niyan, sisingaw, so lahat yan nakakaapekto o nakakadagdag sa init sa syudad. So modern engineering, mahalaga na i-incorporate yung green spaces sa kanilang mga plano. Hindi lamang makaka-improve ng landscape, ng aesthetic appeal ng syudad, but can also improve of course, yung health ng taga-urban. Yung hindi masyadong naglalagas yung dahon.
As El Nino is just around the corner, the forester recommended trees that are fit to grow in the city.
Hindi sobrang laki, hindi sobrang taas, hindi rin masyadong malalaki yung roots. Kasi pag malalaking roots, sisirain yung mga pavements. Pag evergreen kasi, generally, green throughout the year. May shade buong taon. Kasi may mga puno kasi na nalalagas yung dahon. Halimbawa, nara. Halimbawa nito yung balitbitan, hindi yan sobrang lumalaking puno. We can try also gakakan, dark green din yung kanyang foliage.